What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. We're gonna do this song today called "Love by You" by Kirby. It's got an old school feel to it. Feels very nostalgic. I like it because it's definitely one of those things that's gonna really work on just even some of your chord placement and playing the arpeggios, and then even too focusing on doing the minor four. All right, so let's just take a listen to the song. Let's just jump right in. Alright, cool. Listen, that song's got so much sauce in it. So here we go. The song is in F major, okay? Give that old school, traditional. You can do a try it. That first move is dun 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 dun. So we're gonna go like we're playing like that B flat major triad. That D minor 7. That C minor is, or we're at 5. Then we're gonna go to that R5. So you're doing like that walk down. So F E D. So five. So if you hear me go back and forth between the numbers, or you're not that well in the number system, I highly encourage you to check out Kerry's camp, because I talk about the number system all the time. So I will bounce between the numbers and the actual chord names sometimes. So let's go over that first lick again. Walk down like a triad. So if we were playing, it would be that C triad, but we're not using our pinky, so. That old school traditional C major. That B flat major, or you can come down here to that 5. Pick up. Minor 4. 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6. Now we're gonna go a half step up to that 7, 5. That's what we want to focus in on. That's not the whole song, but that's the idea that I want you to start focusing on. You can use this for a great practice routine, great practice session, just even doing that walking the bass line. And add a hammer on in there as well. has enough of the elements and the textures to make it feel like it's there, but you can use this same little turnaround to really practice on walking down the bass lines, adding hammer-ons, even using some of your traditional old school kind of chords, those straight majors, using that, doing hammer-on, thinking about that old school kind of feel. This is a great lesson. Again, this song is called Love by You by Kirby. I know you're gonna love it. Really put your hands in it. And if you have any issues, just go back and rewind it and watch it again. You know what I'm saying? That's all you need to do. To get more help with your guitar journeys, watch these videos.